Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to backup and restore the registry in Windows 11. So let's take a look how to do that. Maybe somehow or some cases you might be want to some changes in your registry editor, and before do a changes in registry editor you might be want to take a backup. So in order to do that, it's really very easy and simple. You need to go jump over in your Windows 11 search bar and type here reg, and then you're going to find here a registry editor. Simply open this run as administrator, and then you're going to see your registry editor going to be open. Just make it by default it will be looks like this. Now if you want to take whole machine backup in your registry editor, you need to click in this registry editor section file, and then click here export, and then go choose the targeted location. If for example I want to save in my desktop, and then I'm going to click this all, and then I'm going to give a name like registry on 28th February. I'm going to give a name 28th February, and then I'm going to click here save. Now you can see within this way I had successfully took whole registry backup in my PC. Now if I close this, you're going to see here is a new registry 28 February file is saved in my computer. So later on, if I want to restore this by with this key, I can easily restore my Windows 11 through this registry key. Now if we want to restore this key, you need to go again here this search bar, and then click this open this registry editor, and then if you want to um, restore this, you can click here file, and then click here import, and you can easily click this open, and you're going to see a registry key going to be open. So within this way you can easily restore or take a backup in your registry editor. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.